A lot of people are selling courses or making clickbaity videos about passive income, and you might ask yourself, is this real? Yes, it is. I'm going to explain to you exactly how to do it, but know one thing, no income is 100% passive. But I'm going to show you a way in which you can use extra time during your day to make around $300 extra per month. This is not surveys, this is not some captcha clicking, this is not some brain dead thing. This is something that takes a little bit more effort. So let's get into it. So, is this real? So, should I buy your course? Is this clickbait? So my answer is yes, this is real. I don't sell a course, and finally, this is not clickbait. I'm gonna show you why. How I'm gonna supposed to make this money. So you're gonna make this with sports betting, and it's actually easy. So you're going to do EV betting, and all you need is around $400 to start. And with this $400, you're gonna manage to get a bankroll of $1,000, and I'm gonna show you. So with this starting capital, you can leverage bonuses on casinos to build a bankroll up to $1,000. So have you ever seen those casino offers offering like free spins, free bets, and all kinds of bonuses when you first join? In some cases, they match your bet with like $1,000, and if you they want you to deposit like $500, and if you put that on a sports bet and it loses, you get $500 more to bet for. And if you win, you make a $500 profit. So you can leverage those bonuses to build a bankroll to 1K. Use this $1,000 to bet every single day on positive EV bets. And if you use the right method and stay consistent, a 30% ROI can be expected in a month. Now, sports betting has a lot of variance, which means that some months can go really bad and some months can be extremely good. But it all depends. So I made a Python program that did this chart. So with 1 to 2 hours a day, you can expect a 30% monthly ROI. And you can watch like Netflix, you can watch football, you can watch anything, you can watch YouTube and still bet at the same time. Because what you're gonna do is sit in front of a screen and refresh the page or wait for new bets to show up. So how are you gonna do this? So first, you're gonna get betting software. So use Rebel Betting, 14 days free trial, or surebet.com, link in the description. Both of these are free to try. So Rebel Betting has a 14-day free trial, and surebet.com is completely free. But the con of using surebet.com is that it's a little bit slower. So sometimes a bet shows up that is profitable, but you will have to when you actually click it and go into it, you see that it's already gone. So that's a con with that. Now, you're also gonna have to do bankroll management, and I'm gonna show you in the next slide how to do this. Don't bet too much per bet is the general idea. And then also, do not gamble, invest. You need to see this as a stock portfolio, a investment account. This is not like some gambling money that you can throw away. Percentages are extremely important. Everything is extremely important. It's important that you are very sure of what you do. Even if it's $10, $100, $1,000, $10,000, it's still the same. You need to have risk management, also called bankroll management. And also, let's say you have $1,000, you make like $100, and then you say, oh, I need to gamble this $50. Do not gamble away your money. And also, be patient. Consistency and patience is key in this game. Now, what options should I use? So this is for Rebel Betting. I did with like, okay, so I have a $1,000 bankroll. So I took stake sizing with Kelly to 20%. Max stake is going to be $1.50. So hide bet after placement. Oh no, so it's gonna be $15. $15. So these are the options, these are the filters that you're going to use. Don't care about the bookmakers, that's going to be for you. It's going to be your local bookmakers. But this is the value percentage that I selected. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. My socials are oddschemist on Instagram and wop.com/oddschemist. If you want to scale up your betting operation, let's say you already made like $1,000, go in there, join the EV Academy community. Other than that, all the links are in the description. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a great day.